morning students, this is Arpita Jain, your computer teacher. In the previous video, we have discussed about chapter 3rd. What we have discussed? We have discussed that how to open document, how to save the document, how to create a new document, how to do a editing, how to select the text. I have told you how to select the text with the help of mouse and keyboard. I hope you have practiced. Have you practiced or not? See, if you have practiced, then it's good. And if you have not practiced, then practice it. Okay? And very good for those students, those who have practiced. Now, we will move forward to our next topics. The next topic is inserting the text. See, I have told you what does editing means. Editing means to insert the text, to make the changes that we have inserted already, to do the correction. Now, first was इंसर्टिंग द टेक्स्ट, जो हमने टेक्स्ट लिखा है उसमें इंसर्ट करना. ठीक है, तो देयर आर टू वेज टू इंसर्ट द टेक्स्ट. फर्स्ट इज ओवर टाइप एंड सेकेंड इज इंसर्ट मोड. ओवर टाइप मोड एंड इंसर्ट मोड, देयर आर टू टाइप्स दैट वी यूज टू इंसर्ट द टेक्स्ट. फर्स्ट इज ओवर टाइप. This mode replaces the old text with the new text as you type. Overtype mode is also overwrite mode. In this, what you can do, जैसे आपने ये लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, अब ये आपको चेंज करना है. ठीक, तो ओवरटाइप में क्या होगा, ये जैसे मैंने लिखा है विद द न्यू, ठीक, इसमें क्या करेगा, ये इस टेक्स्ट को हटा देगा and it will add a new text. So this is called overwrite. And insert mode is, this mode does not replace the old text with the new text. इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे मेरे को यहाँ पे ना insert करना है, जैसे this mode के बाद मुझे क्या करना है, overtype करना है insert. तो ये क्या करेगा, यहाँ पे overtype insert करेगा, इसको हटाएगा नहीं. लेकिन मुझे क्या जैसे मुझे करना है, मुझे ये डज नॉट हटाना है. आई वॉन्ट टू रिमूव डज नॉट एंड आई वॉन्ट टू राइट ओवर टाइप इन इट. तो मुझे किस पे करना पड़ेगा, क्लिक ओवर टाइप मोड पे, क्योंकि ये क्या करेगा, ये इसको हटा देगा और इसकी जगह पे लिख देगा. लेकिन इफ आई वॉन्ट दैट आई वॉन्ट टू राइट ओवर टाइप ओवर हेयर, इनके बीच में, तो मुझे देन आई हैव टू क्लिक ऑन इंसर्ट मोड. So students, have you got the difference between overtype mode and insert mode? Very good. Now to open it, in which option we have to click? Again, file tab. For this, like right now, whatever options we have used, we have to click on file tab only, right? For this also, we will click on file tab. When we click on file tab, these options will appear in front of you. In this options, to use overtype mode and insert mode, we have to click on last option, options. Option, name of the option is also options. यहाँ पे है options लिखा है ना, वहाँ पे you have to click. Now, when you click on it, then one dialog box will appear in front of you. This type of dialog box will appear in front of you when you click on options. Now in this, ये जो first list होगी ना, from this list you will search for advanced. You will search for advanced. See, this picture you can see in your book also, in the topic inserting text. In this you see advanced is there. When you click on advanced, then this list will appear in front of you. In this list, there is one option, use overtype mode. You have to click on it, then this option will be selected. Then click on OK button, then your overtype and insert mode will be started. Okay students, these are the steps. Step 1, place the cursor at the point you want to type. वहीं आपको कर्सर क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये आपका कर्सर होता है ना, लाइन जो ब्लिंक करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कर्सर. अब वो जो आपका कर्सर है, जैसे आपको यहाँ करना है, तो आप अपनी लाइन को यहाँ लेके आएंगे वो कर्सर को, एंड देन आपका जो स्टेटस बार होगा उसमें आपको इंसर्ट और ओवर टाइप ऑप्शन दिखेगा. यू विल क्लिक ऑन, इफ यू वांट टू insert the text, then you will click on insert, and if you want to click on overtype, then you can click on overtype. By this you can type the new text and the existing text shifts to the right, or it will get replaced. Now what you want, like suppose I have typed this. Okay, now what I want to add a line over here. This is the problem many times happened when you come to lab. जब भी आप lab में आएंगे ना, आप use करते हो तो आप you used to ask, ma'am how to change the line, ma'am how to add a new line in it. So if you want to add a new line, which option you have to use? Just keep it in mind. Like suppose I want to add a line over here. So what I'll do, I'll take my cursor over here, then from the keyboard I'll press enter button. I will press enter button. When I press enter button, then one line will be shifted over. This line will be shifted here, and यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगी, एक blank line आ जाएगी. Okay? Now how to delete a text? See, जैसे select text के बहुत सारे ways थे ना. Likewise, we have different ways to select a text. To delete a text, we have different ways. Like to delete a character. What is character? Tell me. I have told you in the previous video. Character means a word. Okay? A word in the computer is called character. Now, suppose if you want, sorry, not a word, एक जो letter होता है, that is called character. Like suppose if you want to delete this R of right. So there are two ways. What you can do? You have in the keyboard backspace option and delete option also. When you click on backspace, then your character will be deleted from the right side. And when you click on delete option, then your character will be deleted from the left side. Now delete to delete a word. How to delete a word? Place the cursor to the right of the character to delete and press the Ctrl plus backspace key. Now if you want to delete a word, then again you have to click on Ctrl button and backspace both together. When you click together, then your word will be deleted. Likewise with the delete key. Okay. Now to delete a block of the text. Select the text to be deleted and press the backspace key and delete key. Mostly we will use backspace key or delete key only. Okay. Now copying our text. Copying text means placing it at another location without removing it from its original location. Copy and paste commands are used to copy text. Now what does copy means? Copy means placing it. Like I want to copy it. मुझे इसको as it is कहीं और भी चाहिए. Copy का मतलब होता है जैसे ये mouse को मैंने copy किया, मैं as it is एक और ले आऊँगी तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? Copy हो जाएगा. Okay? If we copy any text, तो क्या होता है? वो वहाँ तो रहेगा जैसे मैंने ये copy किया है. तो this text will be here also. और मैंने अगर यहाँ पेस्ट किया इसको तो ये यहाँ भी होगा, ये यहाँ से नहीं हटता. ओके. हाउ टू डू कॉपी? फर्स्ट select the text. I have selected this text. This text is highlighted, means this is selected. Now if you see from this window, in the corner of the ribbon we have options copy, cut, paste. These are the options. This is called clipboard group. This is called clipboard group. In this group you can see cut, copy, paste. Right now I want to copy it. So for this, first of all what I will do, I'll select the text, then I will click on copy option. Now wherever I want to paste it, like suppose I want to paste it over here. जैसे मैंने इसको, मुझे यही point मुझे यहाँ भी चाहिए. Then what I will do, First, I will take my mouse over here. I'll select it. Then I will click on copy option. I want to paste it here. तो मैं अपने कर्सर को यहाँ लेके आऊंगी. फिर मैं किस पे प्रेस करूंगी? पेस्ट ऑप्शन पे. किस पे प्रेस करूंगी? पेस्ट ऑप्शन पे. Have you got students? कॉपी एंड पेस्ट से क्या हुआ? मुझे ये वाला यहाँ पे भी मिल गया. यहाँ से हटा नहीं है. ठीक है, एज इट इज मिला है. डुप्लीकेट. ओके, again I am telling you. First I'll take my cursor over here, then I'll select this sentence, then I'll click on copy from the clipboard, then wherever I want to select it, like suppose I want to select paste it over here, I'll take my cursor over here, then I'll click on paste option. By this you can copy and paste your selected text. Now moving a text. Next is how to move a text. Okay, to moving text means removing it from its original location and placing it at another location. Now moving is जैसे मैं यहाँ से यहाँ आई, इस मैंने क्या किया? मूव किया. क्या मैं वहाँ पे हूँ? नहीं, मैं वहाँ से यहाँ आ गई. मेरा जो ओरिजिनल लोकेशन था उससे मैं कहाँ पे आ गई हूँ? यहाँ पे. वहाँ से हट गई. Likewise in the text, when I move the text, तो मेरा यहाँ से टेक्स्ट हट के कहाँ चला जाएगा? जहाँ मैंने पेस्ट किया है वहाँ पे. ठीक है, इट मीन्स इट विल रिमूव फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिनल लोकेशन टू द न्यू लोकेशन. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मूविंग एंड कॉपिंग. एंड लाइक सपोज अगर मैं कॉपी करूँगी तो मैं यहाँ पे भी दिखूंगी आपको, यहाँ पे भी, बट अभी ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. तो आई कैन मूव ऑल दी. ओके, सो फॉर दिस अगेन आई यूज क्लिपबोर्ड ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट, for editing anything, I have to select the text. Take the cursor over here, then press the button, and wherever you want to, till where you want to select the text, you have to release the mouse button. Okay, now your text will be highlighted. This means your data, your text will be selected. Now what you will do, again you will go to clipboard. Now with the clipboard, what you will do? What you want? You want to move it means cut it. Cut it means you can see scissor also. Scissor means cut करना होता है. Likewise, you will click on cut option. Now when you click on cut option, जैसे आपने ये select किया, आपने cut option पे click करोगे, ये वाला आपका गायब हो जाएगा. This means delete नहीं हुआ, घबराना मत. ये मतलब क्या हुआ? वहाँ से हट गया. जैसे मैं यहाँ से मूव हुई तो मैं यहाँ से हट गई ना, ऐसे ही. तो ये कट हो गया. अब now I want to paste it over here. I'll take my cursor over here. I'll click on paste option. Then this line will be cut. यहाँ से कट होके कहाँ पहुँच गई? यहाँ पे. So this means moving and cutting. Okay. With the help of this, we can move and we can cut our text. Students, there is a difference between move and copy. You have to keep it in mind. That moving means removing the text from its original location from to another location, and copy means you are duplicating the text. Okay. Now next is undo and redo. If you see in the file tab in the quick access toolbar, you have these arrows. One this side, one should be left side, and second should be right side. This means undo and redo. Now what does it means? The undo command is used to reverse the last action. Like suppose जो आपने copy किया था, copy और paste किया था, अब आपको वो नहीं चाहिए, आपको वो हटाना है. Then what you will click? In which option you will click? You will click on undo option. अगर when you click on undo option, तो whatever you have done, it will be removed. जो भी आपने लास्ट एक्शन, पूरा नहीं हटेगा, जो आपने लास्ट एक्शन किया होगा, that will be removed with the help of undo option. Now next is redo, and another word is repeat. The redo command is used to reverse the action of the undo command. It is also called the repeat command. It becomes activated only when you use the undo command once. Click the repeat command in the quick access toolbar to reverse the action of the undo command. Like suppose by mistake what you have done, you have clicked on undo command. अब आपने undo command पे click कर दिया गलती से, और जो भी आपने किया था वो आपका क्या हो गया? Delete हो गया. ठीक है. Now what you want, आपको वो दोबारा चाहिए, तो then you will click on redo option. See, redo option will only work when you have once used undo option. जब आपने undo option use किया होगा तभी आपका redo work करेगा. अब आप चाहो कि आप दोबारा से redo मतलब बिना undo use किए आप redo करो तो that will not work. Okay? Let's recap our chapter. MS Word is the most popular word processing software. It is the most popular, means in the world it is mostly used. Editing means making changes in the text. Whatever you have done in the text, it means editing the text. There are two ways to insert text in between existing text. There are two ways to insert text in between existing text, overtype mode and insert mode. Overtype means आपने उसके जगह पे overtype किया, उसको replace कर दिया. ठीक है. Insert means यहीं पे आपने insert कर दिया. Copy text means placing it at another location without removing it. Copy means आप उसको कहीं और लोकेशन पे डाल रहे हैं लेकिन you have not removed it from the original location. Moving means you are removing it from the original location to the new location. Undo used to reverse the last action and redo command is used to reverse the last action. So this was a recap of the chapter. I hope you have understood all the aspects of the chapter, and I want you everyone that you should practice also, so that you get to know that what is MS Word and how to use it. You can use so many things like font size, font color, everything. You can make it attractive, you can make it colorful, etc. Okay student, so try it. Students, now we are discuss about some shortcut keys. Like we have discussed about copy, paste, cut, undo, repeat. These are the things that we have discussed, and we have seen the options also. But students, do you know we have shortcut keys also? With the help of keyboard, we can use it. How? Let's discuss. Like for undo, if you see in the keyboard, you have control option, right? You have this option control. You press this option, and with this, when you press Z, then your data will be undo. With the help of this, you can undo anything. Okay? So, shortcut key of undo is Control plus Z. Control plus Z means both the buttons you have to press together. Now, next is repeat. What is repeat? Repeat means जो आपने undo किया है उसको आप दोबारा से repeat कर सकते हैं. So, for repeat, what you have to do? Again, you have to take your keyboard, not like this. This is, I am going to show you. That's why I am taking it like this. So, for this, what you have to do? Press Control, and with this, which button you will press? You will press Y. This together you have to press. जब आप इन दोनों को साथ में प्रेस करेंगे तब ये रिपीट ऑप्शन अप्लाई हो जाएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज कॉपी. What does mean? What is the meaning of copy? Copy means you want to copy this letter and paste it. You want to paste it over here. मतलब copy करना. Only you want to copy. So you will press again. Take the keyboard. Press Control, and with Control you will press the C button. When you together you press in these two buttons, then your data will be, your text will be copied. Okay. Now after copy, what you will do? You will paste it, right? So for that also we have shortcut. First, we will select the text. We will press Control plus C. Then our data will be, our text will be copied. Then wherever I want to paste it, like suppose I want to paste it, then I'll see the keyboard. I'll press Control button, and with this I'll press V button. V for when. When I click on V button together, then my text will be copied and pasted. Now, likewise, if I want to move the text from the main location to another location, means cut. If I want to cut it, then again I'll see the keyboard. From the keyboard, I'll press Control button and X button. When I press together, then my data will be moved from the location. Like suppose I want to remove it. So I'll select it, I'll press on Ctrl plus X, ठीक, फिर wherever I want to paste it, I'll take my cursor over there. जब मैंने इसको move किया ना तो ये यहाँ से हट जाएगा. अब हट जाएगा, this doesn't mean that you have deleted the text. This means this text is moved from here, and if मैं यहाँ पे press करूँगी cursor को, and I have to press on Control plus V. This means your data, your text will be pasted over here. Okay, this is how you can you can apply copy paste and cut paste with the help of these shortcut keys. Now we have opened new document, right, with the help of that file tab. Now I am here to tell you how we can open a new document with the help of shortcut key. Now, for that, again take the keyboard, click on Control button. Now tell me what is the first letter of new, N, right? So what you have to do, you have to click on N button. When you click together Control plus N, then your new document will be created. See, this is very easy. What you have to do, for everything you are using Control button only, right? So it is easy for you to recall it. आप इसको याद कर सकते हैं. So and new option में क्या लगेगा? Only first letter of N, that is N, and you have to press Control and N all together. So this is very easy to learn also. Okay, likewise to save, like we have saved the file with the help of file tab, right? Now we can save the file with the help of keyboard also. What we have to do? Okay, tell me what is the first letter of save? S. So in this also what we have to do, we have to click on Control and the first letter of save is S. When we click both together Control plus S, then our document will be saved. Now students, I'll tell you the trick to learn these shortcut keys. See, if you see carefully, in all the shortcut keys, we have used Control, Control, Control plus, Control plus, Control plus, Control plus, Control plus, right? Now, some of the shortcut keys are easy. Like suppose copy. First letter of copy is C. So what you will do? Control plus C for copy. This will be easy to learn. Next, to new. What is the first letter of new? N. What you have to do? Control plus N. So, and next is save. What is the first letter of save? S. So the answer is Control plus save. So now only you have learned how many shortcut keys? 3 shortcut keys. Okay. Now you can easily learn remaining. Okay students, I think you must have understood how to learn shortcut keys, how to use shortcut keys. Now you have to practice it also. Okay. Now students, based on those shortcut keys, we have matching also. Open page number 38. In this we have matching based on these shortcut keys. This I am doing so that you can learn these shortcut keys. This will help you and this will reduce time also. First is redo. What is the shortcut key for redo? Shortcut key for redo is Control plus Y. First. Save. First letter of save is S. So answer will be fifth, that is Control plus save. So on second. Now cut. What is the option? What is the shortcut key to use cut option? Control plus X. Very good. Now next is paste. Shortcut key to paste the text is Control plus V, that is number 4. Now E, select all. To select all we use A letter of all, Control plus A, that is 5. And last new. Tell me the first letter of new is N. So answer will be Control plus N, that is 6th answer. So I'll write 6 over here. So these are the numbers of the matching. Students, I want you to learn all the shortcut keys so that it will, why I want you to learn these? Because it will reduce your time and it will help you to use direct keys from the keyboard. I hope you have understood all the shortcut keys that I have told you, and I want you to learn also. Okay students, thank you students. I hope you have enjoyed the video. You have understood all the things that I have taught you from the chapter and from the shortcut keys also. Thank you. Now students, open page number 37. In page number 37, you have fill-ups, fill in the blanks. In this, you have some keywords. Hints are there, highlighted, undo, write, enter, and moving. First is dash text means to change the location of the text. Which option is used to change the location of the text? Tell me. This is moving. Moving change the location of the text from its original location. And the text is removed from the original location also. Okay. Second is dash command is used to reverse the last action. Which command is used to reverse the last action? Undo command. Spelling of undo is U-N-D-O. C. The dash key is pressed to add a blank line. Like suppose if I want to add a blank line over here, then which button I will press from the keyboard? I will press enter key. Spelling of enter is E-N-T-E-R. Now last is when you select the text, it gets. Whenever I select the text, then what will happen with the text? The text will be highlighted. Then the answer is highlighted. So students, last is the insert mode shifts the text to the, when you insert any text, then the text will be shifted towards right side. So answer will be right. So these were the answers of the fill-ups and shortcut keys. I hope you can learn it. I hope it will be easy for you to learn it now, and you must have got all the things. So students, practice it now and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much.